ugly bird.
An ugly bird is on a farm. The ugly bird sees a chicken.
Where's my mom? Are you my mom?
No, I'm not your mom.
The chickens laugh.
It isn't a chicken. It isn't brown and red.
It's gray and ugly.
Moo. Moo.
Then the ugly bird sees a cow.
Moo. Are you my mom?
No, I'm not your mom.
Moo. Moo. Moo.
The cows laugh.
It isn't a cow. It isn't black and white. It's gray and ugly.
Then the ugly bird sees a frog.
Ribbit. Ribbit. Ribbit.
Are you my mom?
No. I'm not your mom.
Ribbit. 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 Ribbit.
The frogs laugh.
It isn't a frog. It isn't green. It's gray and ugly.
Suddenly, the animals see a big white bird.
Moo. Moo. Ah!
Look at that bird.
It's beautiful.
It's a swan.
The ugly bird sees the swan.
Are you my mom?
Yes, I'm your mom.
Now the ugly bird is with his mom.
It isn't an ugly bird.
It's a swan.
Wow.
My baby.
My mom.